Hey friends, welcome to Lido Play Zone. We are at this amazing bowling alley to learn some interesting concepts about force. Well, let the game begin. Whoa! All 10 pins have been dropped. That was quite an amazing shot, wasn't it? Let's go for the next round. Oh no! This attempt was a total waste. Raj couldn't even drop one bowling pin there. But why did this happen? Raj threw the ball with a lot of force. Why did the pins not fall this time? You're right. Even though the ball was thrown with substantial force, the ball did not touch any of the bowling pins. Thus, even though there was a force, there was no interaction between the ball and the bowling pins. So we can say that for moving any object, we not only need the force but also the interaction of that object with another object. Let's explore some other daily life examples for the need for interaction. Imagine you're playing carom. You are aiming for the queen and so you push the striker with a lot of force. But unfortunately, the striker moves out through the gap between the queen and another coin. Here too, there is force applied. However, there is no interaction between the striker and the queen. When friends interact, some information, some message, and sometimes some chocolates are passed, right? When a moving object interacts with other objects, the object passes the force to the other object. And if this object collides with the next object, even the next object will receive some part of that force. But then, does physics call it interaction? We can just call it a collision, right? When the ball collides with the pins fall. When the striker collides with the coin moves. So why interaction? Just say collision. But sometimes the force is transferred without collision. An apple falls on the ground because the force of gravity pulls it. When the apple falls, the force is already there, and collision with the ground happens much later. When the like poles of a magnet repel each other, the force exists between both of them, and the force is transferred without collision because they never touch each other. The collision, in case of contact forces, and attraction or repulsion for non-contact forces, both are called interaction. It is this interaction between any two objects that results in the change of motion, and we know that force is acting. So the next time when you are going to a bowling alley or to play carom, make sure you aim well. So there is an interaction between two objects and force is transferred. That's all for this video. See you next time.